Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Denmark orders Saab Giraffe 1X radars after rapid deployment. For Copenhagen security summits and drone detection, Saab has received an order from the Danish Ministry of Defense Acquisition and Logistics Organization for several Giraffe 1X radar systems. The order follows their earlier deployment in Denmark ahead of EU leaders' security summits in Copenhagen in October 2025. The Danish armed forces initially engaged Saab to deploy Giraffe 1X systems to survey civil and military infrastructure. Saab said the systems operated successfully for more than 6 months before Depl placed a permanent order. Industry and military units from several NATO countries supported security at sites in Denmark before and during the summits. They included the Swedish Armed Forces with Saab's anti-drone system, which includes the Giraffe 1X. Denmark also rented additional Giraffe 1X systems from Saab for the security effort. Those systems have since been purchased. We delivered the systems just 3 days after receiving the initial request from Depl. The swift response was made possible not only by our own organizational capacity, but also by the exceptional efficiency and cooperation shown by Swedish and Danish authorities, said Carl Johan Bergholm, head of Saab's business area surveillance. I want to emphasize Depl's solution-oriented approach, which significantly saved time and enabled our systems to commence air surveillance with drone detection in record time, says Carl Johan Bergholm, head of Saab's business area surveillance. The Giraffe 1X is a 3D radar designed for air surveillance missions. Saab said the system was deployed in the self-sufficient compact radar module configuration. The company said the configuration makes the radar suitable for urgent use where operational infrastructure is limited. It also allows users to move the module, including the radar, from one platform to another. Saab said the module can be moved, for example, from a pickup flatbed to a building or another vehicle. This gives operators flexibility in how the radar is positioned and used. The Giraffe 1X can detect, track, and classify air targets, including drones. Saab said the system covers the entire search volume every second. The radar can detect fixed-wing and rotary-wing targets, fast missiles and rocket, artillery, and mortar targets. It can also detect small unmanned aerial vehicles in high-clutter environments. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.